So you mean you think he would forsake us for her?
So what if we stop him? Right now to me it look like him all start already. Masu, you messing up. We don't know say people are people. Probably might get tired of the business and no one say, him just want to get out.
Well, maybe this time I send him a message and remind him that I should never be crossed.
You know me already long time, Masu. Love teach lessons,
Still no answer. Well, you know what to do when he gets back.
Yeah, man.
Gentle, okay? It's just a warning.
Alright, Masu. Anything you say?
Antonian, your job is to observe and report. You go absolutely nowhere. No field trip, nowhere at all. Not unless it's on the church compound.
Alright.
I want you make sure you understand, because this is not a plaything. I don't know where you're going to tell Kareem, say, because he can't go nowhere at all with you, and he cannot know anything at all. Like I say, whisper is your backup. Be very careful. Yes, boss. Whisper, me a cut left here, you know. Right angle, your bangle.
Hello? Yes. What? When? Okay. Alright. I'll investigate and take care of it.
Masu, it is what happened.
Retired Senior Superintendent Martin is dead.
What?
Andrew, his body was found floating down the Hudson River, filled with bullets.
So, Masu, what that mean now? What that mean to you now?
Well, it means we have 24 young girls drugged on our hands and nowhere to send them because our main purchaser is dead.
Jaja.
And this boy still not answering him phone.
I tell you, it's that you there, man lose focus. Remember me to tell you. Hold on there. Jaja. Masu, I know say you have a soft spot for that you there now. But I need you to listen to that voice note.
Yeah, man. Brother, really love her. And right now, I just feel like I want to turn with that lifestyle, yeah, and just run her with her. No joke, bro.
When he comes back, don't be gentle with him. And get rid of her.
Yes. You just attack my language now. Yeah, that mean I tell you for the long time. The youth need a little drag up.